now we come into the hallway of doom and gloom. Hello. Sorry, my dog. So we keep this door closed because it keeps the house much warmer. And there isn't a time of the day when we can ever not have the light on. Look how dark it is. It's ridiculous. So, had a cunning plan. This is an end of terraced house. So this is an outside wall. So I have had a window frame made, and tomorrow a brickie is coming to break through, and we're going to put a window in. Look, it's not dark anymore. So this is the after film of my haul. So coming down the stairs, I am no longer in danger of breaking my neck because it's so dark. And this is in the morning when the sun actually does shine through the window. Later in the day, it moves around the front of the house. So I thought this would be a nice moment to film. As you can see, I haven't been able to get the inside plastered yet because of the coronavirus restrictions, but that's a small detail and it doesn't take away from the very pleasing effect of a beautiful window to light up my haul. And I'm not sure how well the camera is picking this up because, like I've said before, it's difficult to film stained glass and it's difficult to film indoors. But there is the most beautiful sunset glow in my hall, all times of the day. And there's even a beautiful glow at night from the inside of our house onto the street, and the neighbours have been very appreciative.